Hi guys, so today is a Friday, 6:45 p.m. and the rain is coming again to National Capital Region. As you could see, the weather condition right now this early morning. It's not good. It's not really good. Yeah. I'm not sure if I can still grab a coffee. Maybe I can just drive through to McDonald's and get some coffee. Definitely it will be a traffic jam as well going to the office from to the bar guys. Going out. Wish to work here in Manila, so this is our daily routine and this is a daily challenges. we are like urban warriors. Especially if it is raining, definitely it will double the traffic jam condition. What can I think it's normal for a place, for a city. I do understand that my boss is living in Australia, California, Victoria, and also experiencing the same. There's a traffic jam in the city area. Definitely, it's a city area. It's an urban area. A lot of cars, a lot of people. So you cannot avoid that, right? So you just need to deal with it. It's part of our daily job. It's part of our daily on our daily lives. So it's up to you how you're gonna handle it. Definitely, you will be not in a good mood if you are experiencing this kind of situation. But definitely, see, the rain is getting heavy. It sucks. Sucks. 1 egg McMuffin, large coffee with hash brown, 2 sugar, 2 creamer. Thank you.
Egg McMuffin, large coffee, 2 sugar, 1 creamer.
Yes please.
Double check po.
Thank you.
Window 410.
So we just ordered from McDonald's. I heard from the news that there's another one typhoon is coming in, but that's supposed to be next week. I'm not sure why is it raining today, Friday. We're planning to go back to Batangas by tomorrow morning to help Kuya John Boyd on his projects. So his mom will help him about that. And later in the afternoon, we will go to my sister's daughter's birthday. Is it second birthday? I think. Yeah, second birthday. And we're still waiting for our takeaway from McDonald's. A coffee, egg McMuffin, and a hash brown, as usual. Yeah. Let's see. Still waiting. So I just got my coffee here. And the rain